Hi, I'm Teena Hughes of teenahughesonline.com, and in this video I'm going to answer the question, what is an intro video? So that you can create your own to use in your own video marketing. Now don't forget to watch until the end so that you can get a free video editing cheat sheet. An intro is an introduction to a person, product, business, etc., which is usually just a second or two long, and it goes into a video that you're also creating. So it's like a video inside a video. Quite often it's a logo or animation of some kind, and it often has music added to it. The intro can appear at the start of a video or after the topic is introduced. Intro videos can be created using apps on smartphones, which is what I do, and devices like iPads and tablets, or by using software online or on a desktop computer, which is also what I use. Here are two examples I've created on my iPhone. The next two examples were created on my laptop, and I animated the text overlaying a video. There are so many ways to make intros, and I want you to let your imagination run wild. Now you know what an intro video is, you might be wondering what to do next. Well, no problem. I've got a free video editing cheat sheet for you. Click the link in the description below to download it now. And if you like this video, hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe. If you click the little bell icon, you'll get notifications of new videos too. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. This is Teena Hughes from teenahughesonline.com. Ciao, ciao for now.